So in today's video, we're definitely going to be talking about my clothes and what I bought this week or what I bought last week, because it all came in. Like, listen, Walmart shipping is like that and I like it, okay? Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new viewer, I wonder, what? Girl, you wonder what? You just met them. If you are a new viewer, hey, how are you doing? If you are a returning subscriber, hey sis, how are you doing? I'm glad to have you back and we could talk about clothes. I'm so excited to show you what I bought, okay? If you are a new viewer, on this channel we like to do fashion, hair tutorials, and also vlog. So if you like this type of content, make sure you press subscribe and also press the thumbs up button. And also comment down below and let me know which items you like in today's video. And yeah, let's get into the video. My last try on haul, I purchased some bangers on the Walmart website. If you haven't watched that try on haul, I highly recommend you to go watch it. Spring is coming and you need those items. And today's try on haul, I didn't go all in, but I did add a couple things that I missed on my last try on haul. And I want to show you the stuff that I got. It's not a lot, it's enough for me because we are also spending on a purpose. So hopefully you like it just as much as I want to show you this. So item number one, I am so excited to show you this right here. So if I could show you my wall right now, which I feel like I should, let me show you my wall so you can know girl, let me just show you my wall. You see this? You see this? You see this? I know you see this. You see this? Do you see this? What'd that tell you? We got some new ones. We got some new news. We got some new news. We got some new news. So I got some new fedoras and I'm very excited to not only add them on my wall of fedora wars, but also into, you know, my wardrobe this year for spring. So, is she so pretty? I can't, sis. You making me shy. She's so cute. I am obsessed with this fedora right here. This is navy blue and I love blue. And this color right here works so well with almost everything that I have in my closet. And it's good to have another color into the fedora collection. And one thing I do like about this fedora is, one, the quality is there. The quality is there. And you know we're all about quality over quantity. And Walmart gives me quantity sometimes. But with this right here is definitely the quality that really, you know, got my attention and it made me not want to return it. Although it has some stitching issues on the side, but I feel like not all of them come like this. They just were trying to hate on me and make me, you know, return it for somebody else to buy it because it's almost sold out on the website. And I was like, no sis, we're gonna make you work, okay? We're gonna make you work. So I absolutely love this. As you can tell, the details on the side. And one thing that I'm obsessed with is, y'all know I'm natural, okay? And I'm very strict about my hair, and I don't let anything touch this head right here. And this hat, the inside is satin. Satin to me matters, especially if you really, you know, pay attention to your hair. Satin still moisturizes. It keeps my hair moisturized. I don't get that fuzziness, or should I say, it doesn't feel like my hair is being stripped down, like the moisture is just being sucked in. There are some hats when you wear them, if you don't pay attention, I highly recommend you to pay attention to your hair. There are some hats when you wear them, once you take your hair off, once you take your hat off, your hair feels very dry. For me, I witnessed those moments, and I'm very happy that they have included satin into their the inside of this fedora right here. I love it so much. I love it so much. It's so cute. And I am gonna say it does come in sizes. I wasn't paying attention to this, which I highly recommend you to pay attention to this. This is a 0 to small, well, 0/small, so it's a small. So if you have a big head, I highly recommend you to pay attention to the size that you are purchasing online. They do have it in stores. I've seen fedoras from Scoop in stores. So definitely check out the Walmart location near you and see if they have, you know, fedoras like this one in stores and try them on. And yeah, I'm obsessed. It's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. So yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. So my next find from Walmart is another fedora hat. Now this one I wasn't really pleased with the texture / quality. Like the quality is there, but what I'm saying is it feels like a beach hat. It doesn't feel like the fedora that I thought it was going to feel like the one that I showed you. Like if I had to compare this one and this one, from like on the picture, on the model, to me, I thought it was going to be as, you know, rough, like not rough, but I wanted the quality I just wanted to feel like this, you know, steady. But this one gives me like a beach hat vibe, and it's just one of those hats that I don't know if I like them. Well, I don't know if I like it. There's only one. I don't know if I like it, but I do like the entire, you know, it's cute. It's one of those statement pieces. If you're wearing very solid, you know, if you're going for a solid vibe, you add this for a statement piece. I feel like this would definitely do the job. But I'm just not used to my fedora giving me a farmer's vibe. It's giving me farmer's vibe. It's giving me cowboy girl. What? Cowgirl. Okay, anyway, it's giving me cowgirl. And I don't know if I really like it, but I feel like I'm going to keep it. Maybe I might end up liking it. This is a size small. Once again, check the sizing before you purchase. I don't know. Just ride like a horse. I don't know. But I do like the inside though. The inside is also a nice satin material, and it's a vibe, but then again, it's not. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. I feel like I should, but then again, we are on a purchasing things, buying with a purpose. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep this, but I do like it. It's nice. It's there. The texture is there. The quality is there, but I don't like that beach vibe, you know? I mean, if you go into the beach, you might end up liking it. But as for me in my house, I'll mess with it. So my last fedora purchase, I had to go in and add the twin in the collection. You know, I had to bring you a twin because I feel like you needed a twin. So is this nice dark brown. It's kind of like this one. This one is a lot more lighter, and I wanted something that was a lot more darker. I love this color. I've been seeing a lot of people, well, let me rephrase that. I've been seeing a lot of fashion influencer on Instagram wear fedoras this color, and it's really hard for me to find them where I live. So to see them online was a I love it. I was so happy when I saw this. Once again, this is a small. Check out the size before you purchase. You can tell the difference between color. I feel like this one is wearable with almost everything. This one you have to pay attention to what you really, you know, wear it with. But this one is very versatile, and that's why I love about this. It's the same color, well, it's the same quality as the navy blue. And one thing I absolutely love about this is the design. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. This is so cute, mama. You're cute. You're really cute. You're with me forever. Oh my gosh, we're best friends forever. I like it. I like it a lot. It's giving me. It's so cute. Yeah, I think Scoop by far is killing it on the Walmart website. So yeah, now let's move on to the other two items that I got. Satel du monde. I am obsessed with this right here. If you can see on camera, it comes off as red. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, but for me it's like, it's giving me red and orange. I don't know what color that is, but it's giving me red and orange. But for some people, when they look at it, they're telling me that it's red. Because I did post this on my Instagram. And if you follow me on Instagram, I've talked about the color a lot. And somebody DM'd me and said it was red. And some people DM'd me and said it was red and orange. For me, it's red and orange. I don't know what you see. But what I see with these two eyes, I spy red and orange. I don't know. We can fight about the color, but I absolutely love this jacket right here. The quality is definitely there. I posted this on my Instagram and y'all went crazy. This is a size large, which is a 12 and 14. And it's also part of the Scoop. It's also part of the Scoop collection. And I must say, y'all, this is giving me what it's supposed to be giving. I love this quality right here, and I cannot wait to style this jacket right here. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I tried them out with my camel shorts, not camel, camouflage, yeah, shorts, and it gave the girls what we were looking for. And I have some sneakers that I know will go perfectly with this. And I can't wait. The quality, you wouldn't even think this is from Walmart. The quality is there. And I grew up wearing Walmart. And American Ashley quality lasted me my entire childhood. So I know what Walmart can give me if I buy the right things. But yeah, the quality, Walmart quality for me doesn't fail. Depending. If you buy the sweatpants, it's definitely going to fail you. But if you go for the right things, if you watch me, if you watch my videos, it won't fail you. I promise you. Because if I buy it, I like it. Girl. It comes in two different colors, red and black. I already have enough black biker leather jackets. So having a lot of black, it matters. But I wanted to try something different. And that was to go for a colored leather jacket. So yeah, I like it. I think it's cute. The quality is there. It's giving me edgy vibe. It's giving me everything that I was looking for when I saw this online. So yeah, definitely go link it down below so you can also purchase it. We can be twins. So my last find from Walmart was this beautiful lilac blouse. I'm not a fan of blouses that like have like these like, I don't know, it's like, I'm showing you right now. I'm not a fan of them, but I absolutely love what it's giving me on the waist. I love that it's cinching the waist without me having to do too much. And I don't know. I feel like when I do wear it, I might end up tucking it in when I do wear my high-waisted pants. Just because I like the top. I'm not a fan of the bottom. It's satin. It's a 12-14. It's a large. It doesn't fit me like a large, which is why I love it. Normally, if I purchase a large, you get a large. This one is not so tight. It's not so loose. It's like very much so fitted. I started to experience like some weird quality here. I don't know if I don't think everyone's going to experience it, but the quality, I'm going to give it a good 7.5. I don't know if I want to return this just because it's already messed up here, and we got a problem. We got a problem because it's like we got a problem. I got this for $11. It was $36, and because it's now $11, I highly recommend you to go and check it out and see if it's still in stores. It comes in different colors as well, but I absolutely love the lilac. I feel like this color for me on my skin tone does wonders. It does. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoy making it. If you like me, you like what I bought, let me know which item you would definitely check out. I really do recommend y'all to go for the leather jacket and the fedora hats. Those are bomb. Delicioso. They're so cute. Definitely go check out the leather jacket before it sells out. I say go check it out. Go now. Go now. Make sure you sign up to my email list. By signing up to my email list, it would help me to stay connected with you just in case YouTube was to decide to go solo on us. By signing up to my email list, you will also receive a free wardrobe checklist. I'm a personal stylist, so not a lot of personal stylists give out free wardrobe checklist. Some of them you have to pay for them. So as for me and my house, I'm giving it to you for free. Okay, so definitely check out the link down below and sign up to my email list. And I'm also dropping a clothing line. You'll be the first to get the dips on the items that I drop on my website. So definitely check out the link down below and sign up to my email list. I will definitely leave the items that I showed you in this video in my description box as well. Yeah, I think that's about it. It's time to go to lunch, girl. What we eating at? I'm thinking pasta. Sushi. I don't like sushi. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.